Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome you all to my channel, my recipe notebook. Today I am here with unboxing of Black+decker toaster oven and trying a recipe on it. That is a sweet recipe, cheesy kunafa recipe. Okay, without being late, let's make a quick unboxing. This is a Black+decker toaster oven. This oven is rated at 1800 watts, in which we can make grill, toast and bake. It's a convection and rotisserie. The packaging box is huge. There is a double grill with convection function for uniform cooking. I felt this is the best for cooking experience. Let's share the review later. Here is an instruction manual where we get all the instructions based on this oven. First, read all the safety warnings and instruction before use. There is a heat resistant double layer glass door designed for safety. There is a 3 knob, temperature, function and a timer. 2 lower and 2 upper heating rods is given and side rotisserie clips. A nice space can be seen for toasting, grilling and baking. We can choose desired temperature from 90 to 230 degree. The next one is a function selector. We can choose any function like upper and lower heating with convection, lower heating with convection, upper and lower heating, upper heating with rotisserie, upper and lower heating with rotisserie and convection. The next one is a timer knob. Turn the control to the clockwise and the oven will turn off automatically at the end of the selected time and a bell will ring. This is a tray handle, the handle for rotisserie. It's a wire rack for toasting, baking and cooking with the dishes. The clips for rotisserie. It's a baking tray and it's called as a crumb tray, used to collect the crumbs and protect the lower heating elements. It's a double glass door for the heating safety. Now let us arrange this. The oven should be placed on the flat surface which can hold the weight. Do not place any item on the top of the oven. Always use oven gloves when removing the items from the oven. This is a 45-liter toaster oven. We can bake up to 13-inch pizza. All the features are mentioned in the box. And I thought to make something sweet. Made cream cheese kunafa. For this, first we have to make a sugar syrup. Took a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar. To this adding 1 cup of water. Adding some saffron. By adding saffron, it gives a good color and flavor. And also added 1 tablespoon of rose water. And now keep it for boil. Let it boil for around 5 to 7 minutes. When it starts to boil, add few drops of lemon. And the sugar syrup is ready. Keep this aside. We get a frozen kunafa dough in the store. Before the preparation, we have to bring it to the room temperature. Take a kunafa pastry out of the package and separate it into small thin strands. By using the hands, cut the kunafa into small pieces. We can also use food processor to make this, but we need a small pieces, not a powder, so check it every couple of pulses. The best way to separate this is using by hands. It takes some time, but it will be interesting. To this add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Melt 100 grams of unsalted butter. Then add 3/4 of the butter to the kunafa. With your hands, rub the butter into kunafa until you are sure almost all the threads are covered with the butter. The next step is the preparation of the cream to the middle layer. Here I have made a custard cream. Add 2 cups of milk. To this add 1 tablespoon of corn flour slurry. And again taking 2 tablespoons of custard powder, adding 2 tablespoons of milk. Make a slurry and add to the milk. Now keep this to boil. When it starts boiling, it will become thick. At that point, add 2 tablespoons of cream. Now switch off the flame and mix it. Brush the bottom of the pan with some remaining butter. Here I am taking 2 pans. Take half of the kunafa and spread it evenly. Now press the kunafa by using any bottom. Here I am using potato masher. Press down along with the side of the pan. To press the kunafa, we can use bottom of another pan or a small plate. And to the middle layer, pour milk pudding or a custard which we have prepared. Pour this cream to the middle, do not bring it to the side, and top of the cream add mozzarella cheese. Now add the remaining half of the kunafa on the top. Make sure to cover the sides of the cream. Now press this gently. Now place this in the oven for 15 minutes in 180 degree in the middle rack. Keep an eye in the middle. If it is not turned to the golden color, keep it for 5 more minutes by keeping upper rods on. Once the kunafa is baked, carefully turn it out into the serving dish. Now pour the sugar syrup. It should be thoroughly wet but not overflowing. Decorate with chopped pistachio, slice and serve. It is best eaten when it is hot. The cream cheese kunafa is ready to serve. Do try, and if you like my recipe, please press like button. Those who are not yet subscribed, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.